Suddenly I'm bright and breezy because of all the beautiful and new things I'm learning about you day by day.
Nakatawad yung anak mo ng
Okay, thank you very much. The nursery class, palakpakan naman po natin sila. Oh, cute nila, di ba? Lalo
nangangarap.
na si Mr. Sumo.
Ah,
Okay, Teacher Akis, ganyan-ganyan din ako nung bata ako, ano? Hindi yung sumo, ha? Okay, o siya. Ituloy-tuloy.